Welcome to Raul Longoria Elementary, home of the Mighty Lions. I'm Dr. Garcia Borrego, the principal of a wonderful community of learners. Our vision is to help develop the leaders of tomorrow by providing academic excellence, preparing our students for post-secondary education, and helping each student to reach their maximum potential.
Hi, my name is Jonathan Cisneros. I'm a student here at Raul Longoria Elementary. Let me show you some of the things our school has to offer. Welcome to the Lion Music Room, where melodies and tunes resonate our halls. Here at Longoria Elementary, we are able to utilize a variety of different extracurricular activities, such as Lion Choir, percussion, and ukulele club. We welcome you to Raul Longoria to make some blissful tunes and memories. Behind me is the Longoria Lions chess team. At our practices, we work on analyzing the board, predicting our opponent's moves, and develop critical thinking skills. We are currently preparing for the District Meet of Champions after taking first place in the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade divisions of the UIL chess puzzle in the FAR cluster. Go Lions! This is our Marathon Club running behind me. Our Marathon Club is one of our most popular extracurricular activities here at Longoria Elementary. Me and my fellow runners meet twice a week to promote healthy living and have fun socializing after a long school day. We are proud to have competed in various events that our district has hosted. We invite everyone to participate in after-school activities and make new friends here at Longoria Elementary. Well, that's the end of the tour. We thank you for watching. We hope to see you at Longoria Elementary very soon. Bye!